Aloo gobi is a hearty vegetable curry with cauliflower and potato as its base. It's healthy, affordable, and easy to make at home. Let's start by cutting 2 potatoes into chunks. Think about the size of really fat hot chips, but a little bit shorter, and that's the size we're going for. Slice 1/2 red onion. We'll slice our cauliflower into thick chunks. We'll mince and crush 1 clove of garlic and about the same size knob of ginger. We'll dice half a tomato. Melt 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter in a heavy bottom pan, then add the cauliflower. While frying, occasionally flip the cauliflower over until it's browned on both sides. Then we'll take our cauliflower out of the pan and reserve it for later. Back into the pan, you're going to add those slices of potato. Fry them until their center is soft and until the outsides begin to brown a little. Starting with a fresh pan and another tablespoon of ghee, add in the sliced onion. Fry the onion for 2 or 3 minutes or until the onion begins to turn brown on the edges and becomes translucent. Add in the ginger and garlic and stir for another minute. Add in the half diced tomato. The cumin seed. Then add back to the pan the potato and the cauliflower. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric, a 1/4 teaspoon of cashmere chili, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of asafoetida. Give everything a nice mix. And then place into the pan 50 milliliters of water. Once the water has evaporated and you feel that all the vegetables are soft, finish the dish with a sprinkle of lemon juice.